medical countermeasures, including vaccine, therapeutic, and diagnostic tools. So that was our intentions back in 2020 to 2022, that we would like to establish a local research and manufacturing facility of our products. 13 vaccines and 15 antigens. Yeah. And at that time, only one company, vaccine manufacturing company, Bio Farma. So we accelerated the development of new vaccine manufacturing company. Now we have 4. So from 2022 until now, we increased our vaccine manufacturing from 1 to 4. We already have 15 antigen and 13 vaccine, because in one vaccine, sometimes they have 1 or 2 antigen. And what you see there, 11 of those 15 antigen was already being produced in Indonesia. But I will explain it to you because I need help from BRIN, from UI, from BPOM, from LPDP, that those 11, only 4 are fully manufactured. The rest, 7, we call it assembly. So not full manufactured. It seems to be locally produced, but only assemble, not fully manufactured. We only fully manufactured 4. The reason why, because we lack of research and development capabilities. So that is the reason why I really would like to thank Tsinghua University, Ibu Stella, University of Indonesia, BRIN, that at least, work with Nathan to produce and do research and development capabilities. So remember, I only have 4. I still need another 11. I need 11 antigen to be produced from the seed vaccine, I will explain to you later on, to do research and development to produce until full manufacturing. And to do this, that is not Kemenkes or my ministry expertise. I don't have the capability. This is the capability of the researcher, research institutions, research ministry, and research donor like LPDP. Yeah, like LPDP and also BRIN. BRIN have some money. Now, when we do this 15 antigen, we also would like to develop 5 or 4 vaccine technologies, like Pak Taruna mentions. One vaccine technology, vaccine can be produced from the virus itself, can be inactivated or attenuated. But the meaning of inactivated and attenuated, the raw materials or the technology to produce the seed vaccines is the vaccine itself. Indonesia already have this technology. The second type of technology is, we call it recombinant technology. So you combine some protein. I'm not the expert, I'm a banker and physicist, but at least I try to retell the story that I heard. That one already, we also have the technology. Those are 2 vaccine technologies that Indonesia doesn't have yet. The first one is the viral vector technology. It is like, if you remember AstraZeneca vaccine at that time, this is using viral vector technology and also mRNA technology. These 2 technologies of vaccine development, we don't have it yet in Indonesia. Those 4 companies, whether Bio Farma, Biotis, Etana, or J-Bio, they don't have this technology to manufacture vaccine using mRNA or viral vector technology. So I have 2 objectives. My first objective is to do research and development to produce fully 100% manufacturing for 11 additional antigen. And my second objective is to develop the technological capabilities to develop from seed vaccine with mRNA and viral vector technologies. And those 2 activities, I need help from the researcher. The research and technology ministry, the university that have research, the BRIN, and of course the research donors, and also approval from Pak Taruna Ikrar. So we can accelerate the approval process. So it doesn't stop only research, but also become into productions. And the reason why, because I spend 6 to 7 trillion every year, 400 to 500 million US every year. You need to buy this vaccine. So the business opportunity is there. Now the issue is we have to produce the vaccine. We have to produce the vaccine. Next slide. So this is the status now. Vaccine, I see vaccine development in 3 pages. As I mentioned to you, 15 vaccine, 11 has been developed, locally produced, but only 4 is fully manufactured. The rest is assembly. I call it assembly. So the first phase in developing vaccine, which is the most difficult part, is to do research and development. The outcome is seed vaccine. We only can do 4. Until now, Indonesia can only do 4 vaccine type, do research and development, and produce seed vaccine. The second phase is easier than the research development. You have to grow the seed. You have to ferment, do fermentations, cultivation, whatever you name it, harvest. You have to grow the seed to become drug substance. This is the second phase. Only 4 we can do. The third phase, you have to do formulation from this drug substance become drug products. We can do 11. Less is easier, like assemble the machines, assemble the car. So, and we are very proud we can do 11, but actually we only do assembly, car assembly, because we only do formulations. The drug substance we import from China and India. And after that, we do fill and finish, filling the bottle. Before even Bio-Farma do filling the bottle, we do it, we can produce the vaccine locally. What do you do? Filling the bottle. Filling the bottle. So as an engineer, I feel very ashamed. We locally produce, what do? Filling the bottle. Everybody can fill in the bottle. But filling the bottle in vaccine is not as easy as what you think. Yeah, I know. But still filling the bottle. So my objective is to make everything to do research and development and produce it vaccine. And I need 11. Yeah. Next slide. And I have the schedule. No, I have the schedule. So, and this is the status for each of the vaccines. So, some of them we already produced, like drug substance, the locally manufactured drug substance means locally produced. IPV we're still developing, pentavalent we're still also developing. So those are the vaccines that we buy already for 100 and 500 million. So you just do research and make the seed vaccine here. Yeah? Next slide. This is worse, hexavalent, we haven't done it. We put some date, Pak Brin and Ibu Stella. We will retire by 2031. Can we do it faster? Vaccine development can take long. I don't believe it. In COVID-19, we can do it in 18 months, 20 months. Why? I keep receiving answer that we need about 5 years and 10 years. Yeah? Can we reduce from 2031, 2030 to 2029, for example, before Pak Prabowo finishes his term? Before Pak Prabowo finishes his term. And we need partners to do this technology transfer. That's why I need BRIN, I need Ministry of Research and Development. Yeah? Next slide. So these are the status of some of the cooperation that Bio-Farma is doing with others. And what I would like to propose to you, the good thing about this, it is not only to do research and development. You manufacture the products. And somebody are there ready to buy and spend money to buy your products. So how good it could be, It's an ideal situation. Now I wait for the scientists sitting in this room. Hey, you can be very proud writing a journal and your H index is high, but you don't contribute anything to humanity and save lives. If you only finish into paper. You have to translate that paper into products that really save lives. And you can feel differently because the research and development that you do really save life. So I'm waiting before 2031 or before 2030, before my term ends, that this 4 vaccine manufacturing company can produce those 15 antigen and approved by Pak Taruna Ikrar. Thank you.
Together, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Request from the China. Indonesia-China Cooperation.
On Mister One.
3, 2, 1.
Ganti ruang ya. Oke.
Untuk bergegas bergabung. Bagi peserta yang masih duduk di belakang, boleh segera bergabung ke depan untuk foto sesi bersama.